Cut the PlayStation tape. I can't believe this is here. But guys, we finally got our hands on the 30th anniversary PlayStation 5 Pro bundle. Huge shout out to PlayStation for sending this over for us to check out. Your boy bought one on eBay for way too much money. And I actually have no idea where it is. I'm not freaking out. Either way, we got this thing in. We're gonna check out everything about this, all of the small details that PlayStation put into this bundle and the consoles. And we even have this little guy, the PlayStation Portal 30th anniversary. So we're going to see everything PlayStation did to hook this up. So let's take a look. Enough talking. Jeez, Jay. Let's get right to it, man. I'm talking so much. All right, box is dope. It has the original, oh snap. So it has the original PlayStation up here, but inside you've got all kinds of PlayStation systems and consoles and accessories throughout the years. There was a PlayStation mouse? I don't remember that. This is the accessibility controller, the portal, oh, the UMDs for PSPs. Oh man, this is really nostalgic. 30 years though, right? So that's what's super cool about PlayStation doing this kind of thing. There's all these little Easter eggs everywhere. Oh, and I mean, look at this. PS1, PS2, PS3, PS4, and PS5 Pro. Easter eggs all day. All right, what do we have here? Oh, so you know how the PlayStation has the little XO square triangle throughout the design of the controllers and the plates, all that. This one has square, triangle, 3OX. It just adds a 3 to it for the 30th anniversary. So I'm talking all weird. So listen, we gotta address the elephant in the room. If it sounds like I have like a gumball in my mouth or something, your boy had wisdom tooth surgery and I couldn't wait to unbox this, so bear with me. It says PlayStation 30th anniversary up top. Let's see. It's like box after box after box. This is a heavy box too. Ooh-wee. Oh my goodness. This is insane. Oh man, I can't believe this is here. So this is it. Now, I'm so curious what number this is out of the 12,500. Now, we'll put this to the side. This is it. It looks absolutely marvelous. So again, PlayStation, PS2, PS3, PS4, PS5. So this is where the holder is, but this comes with a few things. Again, this is the bundle, right? So this is different kind of packaging than if you were to buy these separately. So not only do you get some of the accessories, but you get some special memorabilia. Oh, what on earth is this? Oh, that's just a folder. Are you kidding me? They put in a lot of work for this. And it's a poster, right? So this is one. You got the PlayStation logo with all of the accessories over the 30 years and the original, the OG, and then the new kid on the block. All right, so let's get right into the fun stuff, right? So we got the controller and buttons feel good. All right, so this is the standard 30th anniversary DualSense controller, but that's it, that's cool. I love the colors with the PlayStation logo, super nice touch. It also comes with the charger. So you also have the charging dock for the controllers, also matches the theme, colored logo, the grays, Sony over here. You can sit that bad boy right here. Oh man, that's nuts. So that's absolutely extra outside of buying a PS5. The fact that they include this to me is kind of bonkers. Whew, look at that. But we have the DualSense Edge controller. This is the case. And even a gray cable. Oh, the cable special too, right. So the DualSense Edge, nice, look at that. And of course, this also has all of the 30th anniversary logos up there as well. And do they have it down to the triggers though? Yeah. That's nuts. 30th anniversary in the back. So the grip portion also is embedded with those same things, 30th anniversary all over. All right, so we got this gray USB-C to A cable, PlayStation logo up here. I don't think there's any other special detail. We still have our triggers over here so that you can put them on in the back. These don't look to be too different. Okay, so we've got some cables over here. Charging brick. Oh, for the charger over here, the dock, a USB-C to C cable. This one also shows the special 30th anniversary symbols. We have our stands to have a horizontal, multiple stands. Why? Oh, one is taller than the other. Interesting. I didn't know that there were two different levels. And then these seem to be regular power cables, one for the PS5, one for the charging station, and HDMI cable. Okay, so you know, this is more of the not as fun stuff. So this one has like a present logo on it. I don't know why, but I'm gonna get back to that. I'll save that for last. So over here we have our paperwork. You know, even the paperwork is themed. I'll take it. But you get the paperwork for all of these different devices. We don't need to go over that. Underneath that is the plate. So over here you have the plate for this if you want to add a disk drive, because this is the digital only version. So they give you the plate just in case. And inside shows a giant 30. And at the bottom, you got those symbols as well. And the stand is even themed. So 30th anniversary. And this is a nice finish. Oh man, they saved all the good stuff for the limited edition. My gosh, that is a nice looking stand. So this last box has a present on it. Oh yeah. So it's a special cable tie. It feels crazy to break the seal. Value plummets immediately. Oh, so you got a PlayStation sticker. It's one of those raised stickers, so that's kind of dope. Try and do this as nicely as possible. And then you get a clear one too. And this right here, this is what a lot of people went crazy for. So similar to the controllers from back in the day, you have a cover for the USB-C cable. And I think you slide, right? Yeah, you slide it. Put this part here. You put on the cover, you slide that up. Oh man. Oh. Nostalgia's on like 11 right now. And then you plug this into your controller. Oh, what are we even talking about over here, you guys? Dang, it's so stupid how nice this feels. It's stupid, it's dumb. This is so cool. But yeah, a lot of people really like that detail. That's awesome. All right, and last but not least, we got some cable ties. Wrap that in here, and boom. So they give you one for each color of the little PlayStation symbols, but that is everything that comes in the little fun box with a gift on it. But okay, that's everything that comes in the bundle. Let's take a look at the granddaddy of them all, and that is the actual PS5 Pro. So we have our PS5 Pro 30th anniversary. It's here, baby. Welcome home. All right, so let's check everything out about this. So first and foremost, I know you see it. We got the colored logo on the top left. On the grill, it's also embedded with the symbols of the 30th anniversary. It's printed over here, that is the 30th anniversary. Down at the bottom, 30th anniversary. I feel like Sony doesn't want you to forget this is the 30th anniversary PS5. But inside here, you can see it's also embedded with the 30th anniversary logos. We got the same going on the back side, print down here. And in the back, what are we looking at? So we got some cool details. We have circle, circle X square, triangle, circle X square. And then the bottom looks pretty basic. Now, I would be a fool to not open this up because you know there's gotta be some kind of nice detail in there. So wait a minute. This version from PlayStation is not numbered. I'm guessing that makes sense. It must be like considered a promo unit. I'm not mad at that at all. This is very unique then. But some of the details, right? So obviously the inside is painted differently, but on the plates themselves, you got this square, X, triangle, and the 30. So the 3 basically accompanies the O for all of the symbols. Well, while it's open, I might as well install an SSD while we're here, because I'm never touching this thing again. All right, so nice little storage upgrade for this. Now, the PS5 Pro already comes with 2 terabytes of storage, so a small little bump, throw in like 1 terabyte, should be able to hold me down. All right, so I think those are all of the Easter eggs and everything you could see when it comes to the PS5. Now, I don't know how many of you know this, but there's only gonna be 12,300 of these to commemorate the launch of the PS5, or the PlayStation in Japan. That actually came out December 3rd, 1995. That's when this thing's ancestor was released, and that's why we only have 12,300 plus 1. But all right, so this is the PS5 Pro stuff. We can't forget this guy over here, the Portal. Look at this box. Come on now. We got that same USB cable over here, but without the cover. And over here we have our Portal. Oh, baby. It's a portal back in time to my childhood. But this is the PlayStation Portal. It also looks good. It follows the same theme, colored button, the grays, everything looks amazing here. In the back, it does say PlayStation 30th anniversary. So everything about this is 30th anniversary. It looks super clean, but really that's pretty much everything you get in the box here. Oh, you know what? Come to think of it, I think this is one of a few options that you could possibly end up with. If somebody else bought one of these, let me know if you got something different in the comment section. But this is it, guys. This is all of the 30th anniversary stuff you can get from PlayStation, and this is absolutely fantastic. Again, shout out to PlayStation. Love you guys. Oh, my bad. I love you guys. This is really, really cool, and it is an honor. But wait, we need to see if there's like maybe a special boot up sound. I doubt it, but who knows? Like Xbox does special boot up sounds for their limited editions. Let's give it a try. All right, it's all good. Would have been cool to have like the original sound too. But all right, guys, that about wraps it up. Now it's time to start setting this up where they belong.